Hello, I'm Simon Toefield. A little while ago I made a video about how to draw Simon's cat. Well, this time it's your turn. Thanks for everyone for sending in their lovely artwork, and let's see how you got on. There's some great cat studies on this page, great observational drawing here. He's a cat enjoying his favourite pastime, sleeping. I often wonder what cats dream about. All cats love boxes, and it looks like the kitten's found a big one here. This is a classic cat in the bed. Very true, and a great picture. It's been great seeing all your pictures of Simon's cat, so thank you everybody for sending your artwork in. Bye!